Falun Gong, also commonly known as Falun Dafa, is an ancient spiritual practice. It consists of moral teachings and 5 gentle exercises that offer an effective and rewarding way to improve your health and energy levels. Practicing Falun Gong means striving to improve oneself and living one's life in ever closer harmony with the universal principles of truthfulness, compassion, and forbearance. Using gentle stretching movements, the first exercise opens all of body's energy channels, creating a powerful energy field. Composed of 4 still positions that can be held for several minutes each, the second exercise boosts energy levels and awakens wisdom. With its gentle, hand-gliding movements, the third exercise purifies the body using energy from the cosmos. By gently tracing the hands over the body, front and back, the fourth exercise rectifies abnormal conditions in the body and circulates energy. A meditation that incorporates special mudra and hand positions to refine body and mind. The fifth exercise strengthens higher abilities and energy. In the distant ages, we once made a vow, coming here to save those who need help. Time flies and countless reincarnations have occurred since then. But the promise remains intact in the bottom of our heart. Rain or shine, we will not stop our journey. The ups and downs of the secular world will not wear out our will. After all, saving people is what we are here for. It is our mission which tells us who we are and where we belong. Falun Dafa Hao, ZHUAN Ren Hao. Falun Dafa is good, truthfulness, compassion, forbearance is good. To learn why Falun Dafa is so effective for your mind and body and how it can boost your immunity, join us for free learning and online workshop. Details are given in the video description.